In this video, we will be discussing about computer networking 25 MCQ along with its questions and answers in this section. Question of the day: what is the full form of IP? A. Internet protocolling. B. Intranet protocol. C. Emerging protocol. D. Internet protocol. Please leave the correct answer in comment section down below. Question number 1. What was the name of first computer network? A. MAC. B. ARPANET. C. Snowball. D. None. Correct answer is B. ARPANET. Question number 2. ARPANET stands for A. Advanced Research Project Authorized Network. B. Advanced Research Project Agency Network. C. Advanced Research Program Network. D. Advanced RES. Correct answer is C. Question number 3. POP stands for A. Post Office Protocol. B. Pre-Office Protocol. C. Protocol of Post. D. None. Correct answer is A. Post Office Protocol. Port no. Of POP is _ A. 43. B. 25. C. 48. D. 110. Correct answer is D. 110. B. How many layers are in the OSI model? A. 7 layers. B. 3 layers. C. 1 layer. D. 5 layers. Correct answer is A. 7 layers. Question number 6. OSI stands for A. Open Service Internet. B. Operating System Interface. C. Optical Service Implementation. D. Open System Interconnection. Correct answer is D. Open System Interconnection. Question number 7. Which layer provides the services to user? A. Physical layer. B. Application layer. C. Presentation layer. D. Session layer. Correct answer is B. Application layer. Question number 8. Hub is A. Software. B. Calculating device. C. Network device. D. Computing device. Correct answer is C. Network device. Question number 9. Which of the following is required to host website? A. Web server. B. Exchange server. C. Mail server. D. Database server. Correct answer is A. Web server. Question number 10. Set of rules defines A. FTP. B. Protocol. C. SMTP. D. IMAP. Correct answer is B. Protocol. Question number 12. What is the full form of HTTP? A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. B. Hypertext Transfer Package. C. Hyphenation Text Test Program. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question number 13. In HTTPS the letters stands for _ A. Smart. B. Standard. C. Simple. D. Secure. Correct answer is D. Secure. Question number 14. IP stands for _ A. Internet Post. B. Internet Protocol. C. Intranet Protocol. D. Internal Protocol. Correct answer is B. Internet Protocol. Question number 15. How many versions available of IP? A. 4. B. 6. C. 2. D. 1. Correct answer is C. 2. Question number 16. Is a network of networks? A. Intranet. B. Web page. C. Cookies. D. Internet. Correct answer is D. Internet. Question number 17. Was the first network based on TCP/IP protocols? A. Router. B. Ethernet card. C. Hub. D. None of the above. Correct answer is D. None of the above. Question number 18. Which of the following is the most common Internet protocol? A. STMP. B. TCP/IP. C. FTP. D. PPP. Correct answer is B. TCP/IP. Question number 19. TCP/IP stands for A. Transport Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. B. Telecall Protocol, Inter-Protocol. C. Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Question number 21. TCP/IP model was developed. The OSI model. A. After. B. Prior to. C. With no link to. D. Simultaneous to. Correct answer is B. Prior to. Question number 22. Home page is in form of A. Hypertext. B. Text. C. Hyperlink. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 23. A collection of hyperlinked document on the Internet called underscore? A. HTML. B. www. C. Internet. D. Email. Correct answer is B. www. Question number 24. www stands for underscore? A. Wide Web World. B. World Web Wide. C. World Wide Web. D. All of these. Correct answer is C. World Wide Web. Question number 25. The location of a resource on the Internet is given by its A. URL. B. Email. C. IP. D. Protocol. Correct answer is A. URL.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.